फार्मा सेक्टर में है और विशेषकर से ड्रग डिस्कवरी और ड्रग डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर उनका उद्बोधन होगा। तो मैं यहाँ पे इसमें जुड़े हुए सभी लोगों को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि देखिए, रिसर्च पे कार्यक्रम बहुत सारे होते हैं और जिस कॉलेज से वो कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर भी रिसर्च का वो सभी कुछ कहना चाहिए कि प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो होता है। लेकिन मुख्य बात इस कार्यक्रम में ये है कि यहाँ पे आपको रिसर्च का जो डर रहता है वो निकल जाएगा। उन्हें एक सरल वे में हम रिसर्च को किस प्रकार से समझ सकते हैं और किस प्रकार से रिसर्च के सभी मापदंडों को फॉलो करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। इस प्रकार से कार्यक्रम बहुत सराहनीय। तो मैं राजस्थान की पूरी टीम को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं, विशेषकर जो हमारे इस कार्यक्रम के, या कहना चाहिए कि पूरा कार्यक्रम जिनके माध्यम से चल रहा है, पूरी टीम राजस्थान की प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष विश्व भारत परिषद के और पूरी टीम को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। और शायद बलदेव जी जुड़ गए होंगे, तो मैं उनसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि उनका मार्गदर्शन प्रारंभ करें। और अगर सर नहीं जुड़ पाए हो तो अपन प्रथम जो वक्ता हैं उनसे अनुरोध करें, कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ करें।
सर का आदेश हो गया, विनोद जी चालू कराओ फिर।
ठीक है देवेंद्र बोस,
हाँ यस,
आगे प्रारंभ करा दें जी।
तो आज के हमारे जो फर्स्ट वक्ता हैं डॉक्टर गालिब जी, उनके संदर्भ में मैंने आपको एक बहुत ही संक्षिप्त सा उनका परिचय दिया था। यूजी हैदराबाद से हैं सर, पीजी एनआईए से मेरे क्लासमेट भी रहे हैं। बहुत ही शांत व्यक्तित्व है और एक अच्छे स्कॉलर एनआईए में रहे और काफ़ी हार्ड वर्कर हैं। पीएचडी जामनगर से किया उन्होंने। रिसर्च ऑफिसर का उनका एक्सपीरियंस सीसीआरएस का भी है और असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर जामनगर वो रहे हैं और वर्तमान में अय्या में एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर के रूप में वो काम कर रहे हैं और कोऑर्डिनेटर WHO के कोलैबोरेशन सेंटर फॉर ट्रेडिशनल जो मेडिसिन है उसके कोऑर्डिनेटर भी हैं। गोल्ड मेडल उनको मिल चुके हैं 2 और 3 बार बेस्ट थीसिस अवार्ड भी वो ले चुके हैं और यंग साइंटिस्ट अवार्ड भी उनको मिल चुका है और इसके अलावा बहुत सारी विशेषताएं उनके अंदर। तो मैं उनसे आग्रह करूंगा, ये उनका संक्षिप्त सा परिचय है और इसके बाद मैं उनसे आग्रह करूंगा कि वो अपना एक सुंदर सा लेक्चर हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत करें। डॉक्टर गालिब जी।
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर देवेंद्र। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जैसा आप बता रहे हैं, सो जस्ट मीन वी आर इन अ लर्निंग फेज। आई फील आई एम ऑडिबल टू ऑल, राइट? आवाज आ रहा है? देवेंद्र, मेरी आवाज आ रहा है ना?
जी सर, आ रही है।
थैंक यू फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन एंड at the outset, Professor Mahesh Vyasji, who is the chairperson of so this session, I feel so, and all other organizers. I was looking into the names of various organizers, Dr. Kishori Lalji and Vinod Gautam, Devendra ji, and Dr. Rakesh, Dr. Rahul ji. Of course, I feel I missed Baldev ji. Okay, so I thought of taking his blessings before starting this event. Hope that so he'll be blessing us after some time. So he is my teacher and one of my well-wishers. Baldev ji, namaskar. देवेंद्र, मैं बलदेव सर को देख रहा हूँ, शायद सर के मैसेज लेना जरूरी है, तो प्लीज मूव अहेड।
सर मुझे लगता है वापस लेफ्ट हो गए थे।
नहीं, जुड़े हुए हैं, आप बोलिए।
सर से निवेदन करता हूं मैं आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर बलदेव धीमान जी गुरु जी को मैं सादर प्रणाम करता हूं और उनसे निवेदन करता हूं कि आज हमें अपने ब्लेसिंग्स दें और अपना आशीर्वचन हमें प्रदान करें। प्रोफेसर बलदेव धीमान जी गुरु जी।
किशोरीलाल जी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रही है सर, आ रही है।
सर्वप्रथम वैप राजस्थान को मैं बधाई देता हूं कि उन्होंने ये रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी जैसा टॉपिक और वो भी 7 दिन के लिए चुना और लगातार वो रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी पे ही पूरे। मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा जिस दिन ये मैंने नोटा कि आपको 11 तारीख को जुड़ना है, मोबाइल के नेट से इस पे जुड़ा, तो इस असुविधा के लिए सभी से क्षमा याचना करता हूं। और रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी पे बहुत अच्छे व्याख्यान होंगे ही, लेकिन थोड़ा सा एक आजकल बहुत सारे फॉर्म जैसे चले, और उनमें जो इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर ऐसा हम देखने लगे हैं, तो इस पे एक विचार भी इस गोष्ठी के मध्य अगर किसी का इस पे लेक्चर करवाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। तो मैं उसमें एक बार देख रहा था उसको बड़ा ध्यान से, तो मतलब उसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा कोई तय नहीं है अभी कि किस जर्नल मतलब किसको फॉलो करके, जैसे यूजीसी में जितने जर्नल हैं वो, या जो स्कोपस देख करके वो स्टैंडर्ड तय करना है। शायद उन्होंने इसलिए शुरू किया था कि वो जितने भी जर्नल थे उन जर्नल को कहीं ना कहीं वो असेस करना चाहते थे कि कौन सा जर्नल बहुत स्टैंडर्ड का है। तो इसलिए उनका, जैसे उसमें इंजीनियरिंग से जुड़े हुए कुछ मान लो कुछ जर्नल्स हैं, तो उनमें 3.7 ऐसी रेटिंग आई, और ऐसे ही मेडिकल की रेटिंग उसमें 1.7 के आसपास आती है। तो ये व्यक्ति विशेष का आकलन नहीं है उसमें, जब हम रेटिंग देखते हैं उसकी, यानी वो लेखक का आकलन नहीं है, वो तो उस जर्नल का आकलन है। तो अब बाई चांस किसी को जर्नल में मौका मिलता है छपाने का पेपर, उसकी वो उस लेवल की नहीं है, तो उसका है, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं विचार करेंगे कि इसको हमें अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए या नहीं करना है। क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं जब ये तय ही नहीं है कि हमारे जितने आयुर्वेद के जर्नल हैं वो स्कोपस के उसमें भी अभी वो नहीं है, और ऐसे ही मान लो इसमें यूजीसी में भी नहीं है ऐसे लिस्ट में, तो बहुत कम है। तो जब वो बहुत कम है और लिखने वाला तो आयुर्वेद जगत बहुत सारा है, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो मिसमैचिंग होती है। बहुत अच्छा लेखक भी कई बार उस रेटिंग में नहीं आता, क्योंकि उसकी उस जर्नल तक पहुंच नहीं होती है, और दूसरा उसमें स्टैंडर्ड भी अभी तय नहीं है। तो इतनी सी बात मुझे निवेदन आप सबके सामने रखना था। ये जो कोविड का अभी दौर चल रहा है, तो कोविड के दौर में हम सब ने ये देखा कि एविडेंस बेस्ड मेडिसिन ऐसा करके पहले से भी लोग लगे हुए थे, और अभी भी एविडेंस बेस्ड मेडिसिन ऐसा बार बार हमें बोला जाता है कि आप ठीक तो कर रहे हैं पेशेंट को, लेकिन एविडेंस लाइए, आप एविडेंस कहाँ है। तो इसलिए एविडेंस क्रिएट करने के लिए रिसर्च में जाना, रिसर्च की विधियों को जानना, नए नए उसमें प्रयोग करना, ये जरूरी है। तो इस हेतु से ये जो आयोजन राजस्थान वेब के द्वारा करवाया गया, तो बहुत ही साधुवाद के पात्र हैं सभी जो भी वेब अधिकारी हैं अपने, ऐसे किशोरी लाल जी हैं, माननीय महेश जी हैं, तो सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि उन्होंने मुझे 2 मिनट इसमें बोलने का मौका दिया। तो सभी का एक बार फिर से आभार। और गालिब जी बहुत अच्छे और बहुत ही अच्छे विद्वान है। मैं अपनी बात पूरी करता हूँ। सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू गुरु जी, आपने अपना आशीर्वचन हमें प्रदान किया, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, धन्यवाद गुरु जी। अब मैं सेशन को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए डॉक्टर गालिब जी से निवेदन करता हूं कि वो अपना सेशन प्रारंभ करें और अपना जो है बेस्ट लेक्चर हमारे सामने दें। प्लीज डॉक्टर गालिब जी।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And once again, I thank you for this invitation, and thank you so much for the blessings of Baldev sir also. Of course, a genuine point, it has been raised out again by Dhimanji, of course. So what is a good journal? So where it is to be communicated, where it is to be published, how we need to analyze otherwise. So how we need to come to know that which one is a good journal. It is one important aspect. So I hope so this aspect is supposed to be disseminated among all the students. This definitely will be taken care in near future. I feel so. So there are many good people who can speak upon this. So that is a different aspect. And thank you so much, sir, for focusing so on this very crucial area. So which is essential, at least in the field of Ayurveda. Thank you so much. And I also take the the name of Dr. Sanchit Sharma, who is going to speak after me. And yes, I would like to just give me a second so that I can share my presentation. And yes, I feel you can see the slide. And this is, as Dr. Devendra was mentioning, it is Gnana Saptaha. And yesterday in the closing remarks, Professor Govindji, so he was mentioning about this is Gnana of, okay, so right, the literature, okay, so that's what he was feeling and he was opining. And once again, I would like to thank all the organizers for calling me for this Gnana. Of course, yeah. So before, okay, so starting my lecture, I would like to pay homage to my teacher. So Professor Madhav Singh Baghel, I hope all the students, all the participants who are so witnessing this event, everyone knows it very well. A very familiar figure in the field of Ayurveda professionalism. So we lost him. So he was an amazing human being and an amazing teacher and amazing mentor who always motivated all his students to give the best. His leadership, his mentorship, and his guidance made better persons who are serving the Ayurveda sector at various positions today, starting from the secretary to the various directors of the National Institutes. Okay, so they are the disciples of this legendary persona at some point of their career. He was the best teacher, there is no doubt about it. So who can get it broke? Okay, so when I heard that, okay, so he is no more, so our hearts are broken down. I don't have words to express my sadness on his so departure. So may the departed soul rest in peace. Our deepest condolences for his family members. Thanks for giving me so this opportunity to express my feelings and coming to the point. So the point given to me is drug research, laboratory-based drug research. Of course, Dr. Sanchit, he will again focus upon these areas, and drug sources, methods of drug identification, quality control and sanitization aspects, basic knowledge of pharmacopoeial standards and parameters as set by Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India. So this is a topic which is given to me. But I feel, so each and every point of, so this topic, so it itself, so need at least 1 to 1.5 hour session. So so in precise mode in a capsule format, so I would like to move ahead with various topics, otherwise various areas, which come in front, so in that specific field, in that specific area, and I will try to, put forward my level best, and we'll see. So it's not that, so only 1.5 hour lecture is there for you, and anyhow, so and right, so COVID, many times, so we feel that COVID आके है ना बहुत परेशान किया, but I feel COVID परेशान तो किया है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ में I feel, so there are many new things it taught to us. COVID अगर नहीं रहता तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम शायद नहीं मिलते. Right, so COVID, it generated certain opportunities. C stands for COVID, O stands for opportunities. COVID, so virtual interactive discussion modes, right? So COVID, ये है कि COVID, COVID generated opportunities for virtual interaction. So virtual, interaction discussions. So it has given us the opportunity. Otherwise Zoom क्या था मुझे पता नहीं था. So COVID आया था, इसलिए मुझे Zoom भी पता चल गया, and so it given me an opportunity to interact with all of you people. So we should be thankful to, COVID. And why I'm telling is, so सो आजकल वर्चुअल जमाना है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ओके सो सेशन में अगर कुछ पॉइंट्स छूट गए हैं, वी कैन डिस्कस इट. ओके सो वी कैन शेयर द क्वेश्चंस. Okay, so in this chat box, of course, the organizers will tell you. And apart from that one, so we have WhatsApp, we have mail, we have, okay, so everything. So right, so you can call and you can interact with any, okay, at any moment, so that we can discuss, okay, so all these issues. Of course, okay, in this, okay, so 1 hour session, it's already 5:30. Okay, so I'll be trying to mention something about, okay, so what exactly the traditional systems in the global scenario is. And of course, okay, so I need not to tell anything about the Ayush systems of medicines. And what do you mean by, okay, so this drug research, why quality, and what are the standardization parameters, and what are the pharmacopoeia standards. Okay, so in a nutshell, in a very precise manner, in a very, okay, so brief manner, so we'll be moving ahead. And whatever the, okay, so doubts, if at all you are coming across, you suppose, please float them. We'll be trying our level best to answer you. Fine. I feel, okay, you may be knowing about the global scenario, if at all we are looking towards the sustainable development goals of UN, you suppose, right? So there are 17 sustainable goals, which are popularly also known as global goals. So they have been adopted by United Nations, the member states. So in, of course, in 2015, almost 5 saal pehle hai na, to they have been signed. So these are the universal goals. As a universal call to action and end poverty and protect the planet and ensure that, okay, so all people, they can enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. 15 साल के लिए उन्होंने एक एजेंडा बनाया था. Okay, so this is the, okay, so very familiarly known as SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. And okay, so these goals, okay, so as I mentioned, they are 17 in number. So you can go to the website of WHO and you can download, okay, so the document, very comprehensive document. And so these goals, if at all we are looking, okay, so there are, okay, so various goals. And of course, 17 goals को discuss करने का जरूरी नहीं है. But the third goal, if at all we are looking, you suppose, okay, so it focuses upon good health and well-being, right? So the third SDG, the third Sustainable Development Goal, so which focuses upon good health, and they says that good health is essential among all these goals. All these 17 goals, good health is essential. And ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being at all ages is essential to, okay, sustainable development of any country. Okay, so this says that, okay, so अगर वो कहते हैं, WHO कहता है कि अगर health है तो development होगा, health नहीं है तो development नहीं होगा. So that was the thing, okay, so what was focused in this third SDG. And definitely, okay, so the contribution of traditional systems of medicines, okay, so it cannot be ignored by any country in achieving the goals, okay, particularly of this SDG 3. There is no doubt about it. So you can see, right, what our beloved Modi Sahab, okay, so what he said, right? So he was taking the, okay, so New India pledge, right? So he says that let us together pledge towards clean India, poverty-free India, corruption-free India. Okay, so ये सब बातें, okay, so मोदी जी ने कहा था, right? So definitely, okay, so there is no doubt about it. But okay, so right, so if at all we need to have a new India, you suppose, okay, so we need to have a healthy India, right? So we need to have a disease-free India. Okay, so it is not okay. So I mean, so I'm clubbing these two, right? So at one end, okay, so that UN nations are coming, our sustainable development goals are coming, and at the okay second end, so India is coming. But okay, so this disease-free India, okay, so we can even equally applicate, okay, so applicate with disease-free globe. Okay, so healthy globe. Okay, so disease-free globe. Okay, so this is very much essential, and you know it very well that, okay, so preservation of health and prevention of diseases, okay, so which are the main objectives of Ayurveda. Okay, so you know it very well, swasthasya, okay, so whatever it may be, swasthya rakshanam and vikara prashamanam. Okay, so these are the fundamental objectives, the same thing which was focused, okay, so in this New India pledge of Shri Narendra Modi ji. And the same thing again, okay, so it was well focused, it was reinforced in the SDGs of WHO. And as I mentioned, so just now, okay, so traditional practices, they have immense potential in that specific area of preservation of health, otherwise prevention of diseases, and so they can play a crucial role, okay, so in that specific direction. And yes, so if at all we are looking towards the, okay, so one of the snapshot from the, okay, so WHO's website, I given the link over here, right? So this is okay, so report of 2018. Of course, उतना पुराना भी नहीं है, so it's I can say that, okay, so इसके बाद तो कोई report नहीं है, तो so this is the, okay, so updated report, definitely I can say that. So among the member states, okay, so there are 194 member states. Among these 194 member states, 170 WHO member states, okay, right? So they say is that, okay, so they have, okay, so they have acknowledged that, okay, so they use traditional and complementary medicine, right? Okay, so 190 countries, 170 countries, okay, so they are saying that, okay, so they are using some sort of traditional practices. Okay, so ये नहीं है कि आयुर्वेद use कर रहे हैं, but okay, so whatever it may be, okay, so they are following some sort of their tradition, some sort of their folklore, okay, so medicines in their, okay, healthcare sector, right? So this is a huge, and this is a very crucial point, okay, so which WHO accepts, and it has been, okay, so clearly visualized. You can see clearly, you can see the green zone, right? Okay, among, okay, so this is also again 2018's report. It is, they says that, okay, of course we have, right? Okay, so it has been said that 170 member countries may, right, so traditional, okay, traditional and complementary medicines को use करते हैं, but okay, so and again at the same time 170 के 170 में, right, so there may not be a national policy on traditional and complementary medicines, but okay, majority of the countries, okay, so you can see, okay, so green population, otherwise how much green zone is there, okay, so all these countries, okay, so which are falling into that green zone, they have formed certain national policies, so which can regulate the traditional systems of medicines. So it indicates that, okay, so global scenario is increasing, global scenario, global acceptance for traditional systems of medicines is tremendously, it is increasing. So it itself indicates. So traditional, okay, so systems, okay, so definitely everyone knows it very well that they have a long history of usage, okay, so in the maintenance of health as well as in disease prevention, and even in treatment. So that again, so that cannot be denied by any of the government. So global demand, okay, so for traditional practices, it is increasing alarmingly because of so many other reasons. And as just now, okay, what Baldev ji was mentioning, that, okay, right, so evidences, okay, so which are very much essential, if at all, okay, so you are proposing something, okay, COVID treatment के लिए आपके पास अगर कुछ है, right? So what kind of treatment modalities are available in the conventional science, okay, so it is well understood, right? So they have certain, okay, so limitations. So what kind of treatment strategies are there with the traditional systems of medicines, okay, so if at all we have something, okay, so there is, I mean, windows are open, okay, so if at all you want to do something, you suppose, okay, so the windows are open and governments are, they are inviting you, okay, so to participate in various okay, so researches. So it is a welcome note. And that's what I mentioned, okay, so even the global demand for traditional practices, it is increasing alarmingly. And the use of herbal remedies, okay, so they has also been widely embraced in many developed countries, and now it is becoming mainstream in let it be United Kingdom, otherwise the rest of the European countries, are as well as in North America and Australia, and okay, so in all these, okay, so countries, the system is, it is welcoming, right? So it has been in scenario, you can see, okay, so this slide itself, of course, this is, okay, so very apt, okay, so to our okay condition. Just a moment. Sorry. So this is very apt, and so you can see, okay, so what in 2020 BC, okay, so what the individual is saying, okay, right? So he's asking, he's giving, okay, so take this, okay, herb, okay, so chew this for your ailment. And when, okay, so when the scenario is changing, okay, so jaisa development ho gaya, whatever it may be the development, okay, so what do you mean by development? It's a different issue, so we're not going to discuss, okay, so whether the development is in the benefit of the, okay, humanity or not. So that's a different area. But okay, so we say that we are sophisticated, right? So when the, okay, so pharmaceutical sector is increased, okay, so when these molecules, okay, so they came, right? So in 700 AD, okay, so they say, okay, so right, take this portion, okay, so some decoction, it has been prepared, and they are giving some portions. And 1800 AD, okay, so right, so they given some pills. And so when, okay, so it came to, okay, so 1900s, you suppose, okay, so they says that, okay, so these prescriptions have certain limitations, right? And then when they came to, okay, so to 2020, so it's not 2020, okay, so it is mentioned at 2002, but it is opt. Okay, so in this, okay, so current scenario in 2002 AD, okay, so again, so they are saying that, of course, all these, okay, so conventional molecules, okay, so they are wonderful in certain, okay, so limited areas, but they have certain drawbacks, they have certain limitations, they doesn't have answers to various sorts of other, okay, non-communicable diseases or whatsoever it may be. They have various limitations, okay, so that's why, so we're going back to the tradition, right? Okay, so they says that, okay, so take this, right, herb again and chew it, okay, so it is going to help you, it is going to pacify, okay, so your health, it is going to maintain your health. Okay, so this scenario is changing. So okay, so in this dramatic scenario, so it is a very good opportunity to encash and showcase the potentiality of traditional systems of medicines in managing various ailments. And of course, okay, so there are many documents, okay, so that you can see in the official documents of WHO, and they okay, so repeatedly they have said that, they have reported that, okay, so more than 80% of the global people, so they rely upon various herbal medicines for some aspects of their okay, so primary healthcare. They say it, okay, so it has been documented in the WHO's, okay, so various reports. And definitely, of course, okay, so I was recollecting one of the word which has been mentioned by our honorable secretary in September 2020 in one of the virtual interaction that has been organized by National Institute of Unani Medicine. Okay, so in that opening session, so he mentioned that, okay, so during the month of September, okay, so from March, April to September, okay, so when he was analyzing, okay, so he came to know that there is a 600% increase in the demand for herbal practices. 600%. Okay, so just imagine, okay, so how highly receptive environment is being witnessed by Ministry of Ayush, in the sense, okay, so Ayush, okay, so practices. Okay, so this is okay, so very well it is recognized by, okay, so various at various platforms, and so there is no doubt about the impact of, okay, so traditional systems of medicines in various issues. Okay, so that's why, okay, so demand is increasing, of course. Okay, so you saw that changing scenario. Traditional and complementary medicines, okay, so they are widely, okay, so they are used worldwide. Of course, okay, so the practices may be different, but they are using some sort of traditional system of medicine. And this WHO traditional medicine strategy of 2014-2023, okay, so it has said, okay, and you know it very well, that, okay, so they are comparatively safe, okay, so they are not saying that they are safe enough. Okay, so these practices are comparatively safe, and people have faith in such kind of remedies. Okay, so that's why, that may be one of the reasons, so why these practices are, okay, so hugely accepted. And right, okay, so this in Indian scenario, if at all we are looking, you suppose, okay, so it stands for Ayush. Okay, so these traditional practices, very well, okay, so known by, okay, so all the participants. So why okay, so how this acronym it stands for. And Ayush treatments, okay, so they are essentially based on, okay, so various theories of natural ailments. Okay, so that is very well understood. And these practices, they have immense, okay, so potential. It is, again, I mentioned it many times, in the management of various pathologies, including COVID-19 and the post-COVID rehabilitation and all these things, if at all we are looking, we suppose, okay, so this is well understood. And but the thing is, natural is not always safe. Again, so this is the crisp of, okay, this slide. आप सब लोग ट्विटर को हैंडल करते होंगे. Okay, so very recent, almost 4-5 दिन पहले का, okay, so snapshot it is. Okay, so the the image what you are seeing in the, okay, so left corner, okay, so left and middle, okay, so one is the opinion floated by Dr. Philip Abbe. Of course, okay, so there are huge dialogues in between Abbe and so some other, okay, so professionals of Ayush. That's a different aspect, but the thing is, okay, so he's saying that, okay, so these traditional practices, that doesn't have any basis, okay, so any scientific basis, and they may create various inconveniences. That's why, so one need to be very careful. Okay, so in the thing is, okay, so current times, if at all we are looking, you suppose, okay, so besides the increasing global demand for traditional practices, drug safety and quality assurance, okay, so they becomes imperative. So that's what, okay, so what I want to tell here. मैंने कुछ भी कह दिया होगा, so that's a different issue. But the thing is, okay, so there are many such kind of publications, okay, so which says that, okay, so which raised concerns on quality, safety, and efficacy aspects of traditional practices. So this is, okay, so equally applicable to Ayush systems. and along with the significant increase worldwide consumption, okay, so concerns, okay, so as I mentioned, okay, so they are increasing, and at present the only thing is, okay, so some misunderstanding and some, okay, prejudice is there in between, okay, so the safety and the herbal medicines, okay, so understanding is warranted. So what I want to say over here is, okay, so understanding of traditional practices is warranted. So there is a need to strengthen, okay, so there is a need to strengthen the safety, there is a need to strengthen the, okay, so proper usage, and there is a need to strengthen the effectiveness of the products in a systematic direction, okay, so that is, okay, so one need, so which which is essential. Okay, so these things, okay, so again from the Department of okay, gastroenterology, if at all we are looking, you suppose, okay, so in the bottom line, okay, so in that report, okay, so they mentioned, of course, it belongs to a couple of years back, 2018 ka report hai. But the thing is, okay, so this is harmful, okay, so whatever the additional comments that have been floated, that have been printed on the, okay, so report of, okay, so this specific hospital slip, okay, so they say is that don't use Ayush-based systems of medicines or traditional or folk medicines or any other commercial herbal supplement without scientific clinical evidence for the same, okay, in the diagnosed disease condition. Okay, so this says that, okay, so don't use any Ayush practices if at all you are coming to us. So this is a sort of, okay, so negative lobby, and whatever it may be, okay, so they wrote it, okay, so they published it, okay, so it indicates that they may be having some evidence. But at the same time, if at all I want to say that, okay, so as a Ayush professional, okay, so this is wrong, then as, okay, so Baldev sir just now he mentioned, so we need to have some strong evidence for that. We need to have, okay, so we need to develop some quality profiles. We need to, I mean, develop some safety profiles of all such kind of formulations which are entering into the market. Until and unless if we don't have, okay, so such kind of quality profiles, you suppose, so then it becomes very difficult, and such kind of concerns, okay, so they will bring a bad reputation to the system. They will bring a bad reputation to the system. So, and it becomes very difficult, okay, so after okay, it becomes, okay, so very difficult to manage, okay, so such kind of situations. So so why quality is needed? So it has been very beautifully, okay, so it has been narrated, okay, so in the Vishwa Ayurveda Parishad Gita, so by Dr. Rakesh, okay, so he said sabhi sukhi ho and sabhi niramay. Okay, so he was mentioning that, okay, so sabhi sukhi hona zaruri hai, sabhi niramay hona zaruri hai. If quality medicine is not there, you suppose, okay, so in such cases, so this specific, okay, so objective of that, okay, so Vishwa Ayurveda Parishad ka jo geet hai, so that cannot be fulfilled. Okay, so if at all, okay, so we want to give good health to each and every individual, you suppose, okay, so ultimately the product is, okay, so whatever it may be the product, it may be Ayush product or it may be conventional product, okay, once the medicine is prepared, whatever it may be, okay, so right, so it is going to be used in the human being, okay, right, so for the sake of, okay, pacification of the disease, otherwise for the sake of, okay, I mean maintaining the health, okay, so the product is going to be used. So that's why, okay, so quality is essential, right? And चरक में जो कहा है सभी को पता है कि what is शमयद व्याधि, what is शुद्ध चिकित्सा, okay, so that everyone knows it very well. I'm not going to tell anything about it, but safety, efficacy, okay, so is supposed to be established, okay, besides quality, okay, so safety and efficacy are supposed to be established. So that's why, okay, so right, so contemporary scientists, okay, so they are not in a position to accept the traditional practices at various platforms. They frequently, okay, so always they raise this, okay, so various questions like, okay, whether these traditional practices are safe enough or not, whether they have quality profiles or not, okay, so do these therapies work, okay, for the medical conditions for which, okay, so there is no significant cure in conventional system of medicine, okay, so they will ask, okay, such kind of questions, okay, so if at all we are I mean, so if at all we are we have, okay, so answers, you suppose, okay, so these answers are supposed to be generated in a systematic fashion, of course, okay, so Charak ne kaha hai, definitely Charak ne hamare liye aapt hai, so we are definitely, okay, so unko manenge, but okay, so if at all we are going to any sort of, okay, so scientific platform, you suppose, okay, so there we need to at least, okay, so we need to speak in some technical, okay, so language, if at all we are putting, you suppose, okay, so these are not my views, okay, so 1900 में स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने ये बात कहा है, right? Of course, okay, so वेदास, हम वेदों को कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं, वेदास are ultimate, उसमें जितना ज्ञान है वो कहीं भी नहीं है, so that is accepted, but the thing is, if at all, okay, so विवेकानंद जी ने कहा है कि चिकागो में स्पीच देते देते, right, so he said that, okay, so अगर मैं यहाँ के वेद पढ़ता तो कोई समझता नहीं, right, so those Vedas are supposed to be added with, okay, so some थोड़ा बहुत आप फिजिक्स जोड़ दीजिए एक सूत्र लेके, केमिस्ट्री जोड़ दीजिए, right, and then make it palatable so that that can be accepted by the society. So this is the, okay, right, so Paratantravalokanam, what is mentioned by Sushruta somewhere, right, so सतताध्ययनम वादः परतंत्रावलोकनम, परतंत्रास का अवलोकन करना जरूरी है, उसका अध्ययन नहीं। सतताध्ययनम तो हमारे क्लासिक्स को हम अध्ययन करेंगे, देन परतंत्र का अवलोकन करना है। सो पासिंग रेफरेंसेस जैसा थोड़े बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट ले लीजिए एंड देन यूज दोस कॉन्सेप्ट्स टू ब्यूटिफाई, okay, so your concepts, okay, so this is what, okay, so what Swamiji, okay, so in Vivekanand, okay, so he mentioned, okay, so that is very much essential, okay, so in this current scenario, right, and one more thing is, okay, so this document, okay, so 2019's document, if at all you are looking, you suppose, okay, so this is WHO global report on traditional and complementary medicine 2019, okay, so this is a wonderful document, okay, so this is available on the net, you can see, okay, so you can download it at free of cost and you can see it, and the scenario is it is alarming, okay, so what they are saying is, okay, I can see, okay, so you can see, okay, so there are various components, okay, so उन्होंने हर एक country को उन्होंने कुछ पूछा है, right, so आप research कैसे करते हैं, right, okay, so is there is any financial support for your research, okay, so what kind of mechanisms, okay, so mechanisms आपके पास कुछ develop हुए हैं कि नहीं, सेफ्टी आप कैसे एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं, कुछ ट्रेनिंग, किसी को कुछ ट्रेनिंग मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है, okay, so there are, okay, so set of around 10 to 15 questions, and unfortunate thing is, okay, so many of the countries, they said that, okay, so we don't have, okay, so significant research data, we don't have, okay, so mechanisms to, okay, so monitor, mechanism to control the quality, the safety, the efficacy aspects of traditional and complementary medicines, which is I mean, alarming. So at least, okay, so I can say that it is alarming. So that's why, okay, so there is a need to strengthen, okay, so these aspects. And they say, okay, so document में यही कहते हैं कि appropriate evaluation methods are to be adopted. ऐसा नहीं कि WHO ये नहीं कहता कि ये आपको quality के लिए ये करना है, efficacy के लिए ये करना है, safety के लिए. No, they never used to say anything. They say that Indian scenario है तो Indian government, okay, so they used to develop. If it is Australian scenario, if it is USA, if it is UK, individual, okay, so country, okay, so individuals, otherwise, okay, authorities, they need to develop, okay, so evaluation methods, so which can be applicable, okay, so to their, okay, so specific countries, okay, so this is the website of CEDESCO, okay, so what I mentioned is, okay, so individual countries need to develop, right, so in Indian scenario, if at all we are looking, you suppose, okay, so CEDESCO is the, okay, CEDESCO is the body, right, CEDESCO, CDSCO, so is a central drugs standard control organization. CEDESCO is okay, so it functions under the Director General of Health Services of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and so it is known as National Regulatory Authority of India for drug development, and CEDESCO is always, okay, so it is responsible for approval of drugs, conventional drugs, okay, so when I'm speaking about CEDESCO, so I'm not speaking anything about OI systems of medicine. This is exclusively, this body is exclusively, okay, so works for conventional or okay, so I mean contemporary molecules. So it looks up towards the approval of drugs, conduct of clinical trials. So it lay down various standards for various drugs. So I mean quality of, okay, so imported drugs, okay, so into the country, coordination of various activities, okay, so all these things, okay, so they will be taken care by the CEDESCO, and so they will take care of the Suraksha, they will take care of the Guna, okay, and they will take care of the Manaka standardizations, okay, so in a beautiful manner, okay, so it has been mentioned as Sugama, and okay, so nothing but, okay, so all these aspects, okay, so they are nothing but okay, various concepts of drug development. And of course, okay, so one point, okay, so it has been given, okay, so in my topic, okay, so it is sources, okay, so I don't feel that, okay, so this need to be comprehensively discussed, and all postgraduate students, scholars, okay, so they may be knowing it very well, okay, so what are these three sources, Charak Sutra Sthan se leke, okay, so aapko I mean in various classics, okay, so this information beautifully, okay, it has been mentioned, it has been comprehensively explained, okay, so what are these sources, okay, so basically we have, okay, so these three sources, Okay, so plant, animal and mineral. So apart from okay, so plant, animal, mineral. Okay, so I mean in mineral में metal भी आ जाएगा. So there may not be okay, so any other source, right? So plant, if at all you're looking, you suppose okay, so we have and for each and every okay, so source, okay, so you can write down, otherwise okay, so you can add some of the examples. Okay, so what do you mean by flowers? Okay, so what are these fruits? Okay, what are these seeds? Okay, so पंचांग जो हम use करते हैं. Okay, so these things. And when we discuss about the sources, okay, so definitely okay, so you need to mention about collection, right? So when source is there, so which part of the plant is supposed to be collected from which part of the country, and in which part of the season, okay, it is supposed to be collected, so that you know it very well. Okay, so we're not going to speak anything about okay, so those things it itself again, okay, so it's a huge topic to be covered, right? So flowers, okay, so you know it very well, right? Okay, examples you can write it down. Fruits, कौन से fruits? Okay, so let it be Triphala. Okay, so let it be okay. Okay, so there are various roots. Okay, so root barks and the stem and okay, so various parts. And similarly, okay, so there are animal sources and there are mineral sources. Okay, so this is okay sources. Okay, so these things we can. But the thing is okay, so whenever the sources comes, you suppose. Okay, so this is important, right? So sources you can compile from your textbooks. But the thing is okay, so we need to think about geographical indication. Okay, so this may be okay, so maybe okay, so if you are the students, okay, so you may be knowing about this one, but okay, so usually in our routine syllabus books, okay, so this point, okay, so yeah, so at least in first year, so it may not be covered. But geographical indication, okay, so is one important aspect. Okay, so when we consider about the patent related aspect, you suppose okay, so these issues will come. And anybody have any idea about okay, so such kind of indication? The thing is whenever we think about ashwagandha, for example, ashwagandha chodiye, so that will come back okay at latter part. Okay, mangoes, for example, mango, right? So whenever mango comes into mind, okay, so alphonsos, okay, so alphonso mangoes, okay, so they will come to our, okay, right? Similarly, orange agar aa jata hai, to we used to think about Nagpur ka orange hai. Agar chappal, okay, right? So if we are thinking about chappal, you suppose chappal is okay, shoe, Kolhapuri chappal, right? Okay, fine. So many of you, okay, so you may be belonging to Rajasthan, right? Bhujia, Bikaneri, okay. Agra ka petha hai, fine. Silk sarees of Kanchipuram, okay, right? So okay, so whenever we think something, a product, if at all we are thinking a product is coming into my mind, ashwagandha, Nagori ashwagandha, okay, so usually sandal, right? Okay, automatically, okay, so अपना inner conscious से बात आ जाता है कि Mysore sandal, fine. Okay, so they are the geographical indications. Sources कुछ भी हो, okay, उसके साथ साथ में, okay, so this is very important. Okay, so right, so there are few, okay, so such kind of I mean products, okay, so which are tagged with, okay, so this indication, GI indication, right? So geographical indications, okay, so indication is a sign on the product which denotes the specific geographical origin, and it possesses qualities of a I mean qualities are a reputation that are due to that specific origin. वो origin से आया है तो इसलिए उसके लिए वो geographical, otherwise वो quality वहाँ पे ही रहेगा, है ना? नागपुर अगर मीन जयपुर से अगर I mean ऑरेंज अगर आता है तो people they may not choose it to okay, so purchase, है ना? कोल्हापुरी चप्पल कोल्हापुरी में ही बना तो ही वो क्वालिटी रहेगा, वो लेबल देख के ही शायद ओके, सो लोग बहुत सारे लोग खरीदेंगे, राइट? सो geographical indication, okay, so is one important aspect. So whenever source is okay, so we consider, right? So whenever okay, right, so these what I can say is raw material is there, you suppose, okay, so identification if at all you are looking, okay, so ये भी एक point था उसमें. Of course I feel okay, so drug development का जो aspect संजीत जी जो handle करेंगे, so वहाँ पर भी शायद ये in a comprehensive format, because संजीत जी is a master of pharmacognosy and pharmacology, okay, so he may be his master. चरक ने बहुत बार ये बात कहा है कि पराधिकारेषु विस्तर उक्ति, अधिकार दूसरों का है उसमें आप ज्यादा मत बोलिए, है ना? तो आयुर्वेद का अधिकार हमारे पास है, रसशास्त्र का अधिकार है, तो रसशास्त्र में कुछ बात कर लो, लेकिन है ना संजीत जी को सामने रख के हम आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बारे में बात करें तो इट इज नॉट ऑप्ट, आई फील सो, राइट? So the thing is, okay, so whenever that raw material goes into a section, you suppose, okay, so it need to be identified, and there are innumerous otherwise, okay, so various identification methods, okay, so they have been explained in the textbooks of conventional science and pharmacognosy. If at all you are looking, you suppose, okay, so if at all it's a herbal raw material, you suppose, okay, so when it comes into the laboratory, okay, so there are various parameters, okay, macroscopy karte hain, microscopy hai na, to I mean, so it may be different types of, okay, so microscopes they used to use it, okay, so simple microscopes like fluorescence microscope, okay, so it depends upon, okay, so what kind of okay identification characters you want to see. I know physicochemical methods hai wahan pe, let it be ash values and all those extractive values that they used to. Chromatographic methods, okay, so I need not to say anything about this one. So I was hearing to Jitendra, Dr. Jitendra Vasagi yesterday, so he explained about, okay, so chromatographic methods. Let it be, okay, so TLC or HPLC or HPTLC or gas chromatography or whatever it may be. Okay, so these chromatographic methods are also there, and there are many other, okay, so right, let it be, okay, so aajkal okay, so these methods, okay, so they have came into force, okay, right, so naye jo methods hai PCR, okay, so polymerase chain reaction mechanisms like molecular markers, okay, so these molecular markers generally they refer to various biochemical constituents, including primary and secondary metabolites, and many a times, okay, so other I mean macromolecules, okay, so such as nucleic acids and all, okay, so many such kind of things. So DNA markers, okay, so they are available, they are usually they are reliable for informative polymorphisms, okay, so as the genetic composition, so which is unique for each species, right. PCR अगर आप करते हैं तो PCR, okay, एक herb का PCR, okay, जैसे कि आपका fingerprint है, right. So my fingerprint will match with my finger only, okay, so my fingerprint, okay, so it cannot match with Dr. Devendra's fingerprint, okay. So PCRs are nothing but fingerprints, right. मोटा मोटा शब्द में ये है कि PCR is a fingerprint, okay, so it gives a genetic composition of that specific plant, of that specific part. Okay, so similarly, okay, so randomly amplified, okay, so DNA, of course, okay, so there may be many queries, okay, so what do you mean by PCR, kaise karte hain, kya karte hain, we are not masters, that's what I said. And moreover, okay, so ye I mean 2-4 minute mein 5 minute mein ye nahi ho payega, but the thing is, okay, mota mota, okay, so we should at least know that, okay, PCR kuch hai, RAPD kuch hai, okay, so those things, okay, so they will come later, I don't know, we'll see it. But the thing is, there are such kind of mechanisms, and if at all it's a mineral drug, you suppose, okay, so there are various physical properties, right. Okay, I mean there are optical properties, okay, so I mean if at all you want to see, इसके लिए आप API में फिर एक बार जा सकते हैं, API में जाके, right, so you can see, okay, so what exactly, okay, so these properties are, okay, how to identify a mineral drug, okay. Physical property, if at all you are looking, you suppose, okay, so these properties, okay, so they always include what is the nature of that specific mineral, okay, so what is the color, okay, so what is the streak, what is the tenacity, okay, so how transparent it is, okay, so iska luster kaisa hai, okay, so what is its hardness, okay, agar fracture hai, okay, right, if at all it is able to break into two, you suppose, okay, so what is the nature of that fracture, okay, so is there is any cleavage, okay, so I mean what is the specific gravity, okay, so there are, okay, so n number of parameters, okay, so parameters पूरे आपको API में मिलेंगे, okay, I mean volume part 1 volume 7 में आपको मिलेंगे, right, so those that volume you can have it in your library. But the thing is, physical properties is one important feature, okay, so these unique physical characteristics of minerals, okay, so they can be used for the identification, definitely, right. And then so we have optical properties, okay, so optical properties अगर आप देखते हैं, okay, so they include application of optical, what I can say, it is optical crystallography, right. Optical properties, okay, so they include application of optical crystallography, so in identification of various minerals, okay, so that are crystalline in and transparent, okay, so irrespective of their chemical composition. So chemical composition देखने का जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन optical, okay, properties में पता चलता है कि what is the crystallography, right. And then, okay, so there is a refractive index, okay, so these things, okay, they have been explained yesterday. Chemical properties में, okay, so compositional characterization इसमें हो सकता है, इसमें सोडियम है या पोटेशियम है, या okay, so where, okay, so what is its reaction with various various acids like let it be hydrochloric acid हो या nitric acid हो, sulfuric acid हो. Okay, so ये acids के साथ, okay, so how, okay, so these minerals, okay, so they are reacting, okay, so whether they are soluble or not, soluble हुआ तो कितना होता है, कैसा reaction होता है. Okay, so these things, okay, so are the some laboratory, okay, investigations, okay, so based upon which, okay, so we can say, okay, right, okay, so this is so and so so and so है ना. तो आप qualitative test भी कर सकते हैं, इसमें कार्बोनेट है या सल्फेट है या heavy metals अगर है, इसमें arsenic है या mercury है. Okay, so this is, okay, so again I mean huge amount of discussion is going on about, okay, so this percentage of, okay, so heavy metals in finished products, otherwise raw materials, इसमें metal होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so there is a I mean huge discussion. Similarly, okay, so there are many other, okay, so sophisticated technological instruments. Okay, so it may not be, okay, so ये instruments हर एक के laboratory में शायद ना हो, but okay, so there are big pharmaceutical industries, big companies, big okay, so research organizations. Okay, so in organizations, okay, so these things are available. Okay, ICP-MS ho, otherwise XRD ho, otherwise, okay, so X-ray fluorescence ho. Okay, so these instruments, okay, so they are definitely useful in identifying the nature of I can't say that, okay, so exactly whether they are going to spell out, okay, so what exactly is the nature of, okay, so that specific mineral that is being administered, okay, so in the therapeutics. Okay, so that is not possible because, okay, so let it be ICP ho, XRD ho, या XRF ho, okay, so they give some idea, but they won't give exact idea of okay, so of that compositional characterization of that specific formulation which is going to be administered, okay, so into the human being in therapeutics. Okay, so right, it is very difficult to address, of course, but आपको कुछ lead मिलेगा इसलिए, okay, right, so you can do that. And animal origin अगर आप देखते हैं तो, okay, so there are many such kind of things. And for all the audience, okay, right, so what I can say is, oh sorry, yes, okay, so this is right, so FSSA documents are there, right? So you can go to this, okay, I mean, for example, okay, so I'm floating over here, okay, so this is a hyperlink with around 190 pages document it is, right? So milk or milk products, okay, so if at all you are analyzing, you suppose, okay, right? So what kind of standards, what kind of methods, okay, so okay, so they need to be followed. Okay, so छोटे छोटे घरेलू, okay, right, type of I mean analytical, otherwise identification methods also, okay, so they will okay, at times, okay, so they will I mean explain. Just let me come back to my slide again, right? And similarly, so oils and fats, if at all you are looking, you suppose, okay, so I mean, so it is very difficult to, okay, right, explain, okay, so all these things in a span of 1 to 1.5 hours, but okay, so they are beautiful documents, at least okay, so the professionals of, okay, so Russia, Subhashi Kalpana and other, okay, so ऐसा नहीं है कि Russia वालों के पास ही रहना चाहिए, but all, okay, right, researchers, okay, so they need to have these documents in their cupboards for reference purposes. So it is very apt to, okay, so quote over here that, okay, so these are the documents which have been published by FSSA, and I say FSSA के website पे बहुत सारे ऐसे documents हैं, okay, so those things you can collect it, gather it, right? So quality standards, okay, right, so one is identification होने के बाद, okay, so purity and strength, okay, so these things we need to look towards, and of course, okay, quality, if at all you are looking, you suppose, okay, herbal, basically, okay, so this is for okay, so herbal drug preparation, but the thing is, okay, so whenever it is a herbal drug preparation, there are multi, okay, right, faceted, what I can say, the approach is there, quality, how quality will be evaluated, otherwise studied, right? Okay, so it may be, okay, so phytochemical, okay, so right, phytochemical characteristics, okay, so they used to see, okay, so identification, this we discussed just now, okay, so they used to see, okay, so all these things, okay, right, they used to analyze it for phytochemistry, and then okay, so if at all the product is manufactured, you suppose out of that herbal, let it be single drug, otherwise, okay, so compound formulation, okay, so once if at all the drug is manufactured, okay, so what are those characteristics, and so what exactly is the definition of that specific formulation, ओके सर टैबलेट है या पिल है या ना चूर्ण है, आसावरिष्ट है, घी है, क्या है? ओके सो दैट वी नीड टू give that specific definition, and then okay so it's of course okay so you manufactured it, but I mean before launching into the market, okay right, that quality is supposed to be established, quality profile is supposed to be established. After that, okay so you need to say that okay so it has whether it has that stability or not, whether it will be stable or not. Okay आपने manufacture तो कर लिया आज, but for how many months, how many years, okay so it is going to stay in the market. Okay उसका shelf life क्या होगा, उसका सवीरता अवधि क्या होगा, so that one need to establish. Okay so ये भी एक parameter है. Okay so when we think about, when we speak about I mean drug manufacturing, otherwise okay so drug research, right? So the stability, of course, again there are many methods of okay so establishing stability of any product, let it be accelerated stability or real-time stability, whatever. Okay so those it has its ICH protocols. Okay so those things are not opt to be discussed over here at this moment, I feel so. And microbial load, okay so इसमें microbial load अगर है तो कितना है, और नहीं है तो नहीं है, it's well and good. But okay so when we think about herbal, obviously definitely there will be some sort of microbial contamination. Yeah, I can't say that contamination, but microbial load तो रहेगा ही वहाँ पे. WHO also accepted okay so this fact, and they says that okay so load अगर है तो load कितना होना चाहिए. Okay so there is a limit. Okay so within that limit, if the load is there, you suppose it is acceptable. And उसके बाद okay so quality होने के बाद okay so there will be safety. You need to spell out that okay so it is safe enough. You need to spell out that okay so it is efficacious and in such a specific moment, otherwise in that specific given context. Okay so that we need to spell out. So this is in brief about okay quality. And the same thing okay so what I mentioned just now. Okay so we need to spell out the okay identification, microscopy और ये सब करना है. Let it be okay so this is for a finished product. Okay पहले जो हम discuss कर रहे थे okay so otherwise in precisely जो as a passing reference okay so मैंने जो कह रहा था, that is for raw material, and this is for the okay finished product. So identity okay so again for the finished product, purity okay so again for the finished product, strength okay so we need to see okay so how strength it is. Okay so right, if it is ashwagandha, you suppose okay how much percentage of withanolides are there. आजकल गुरु जी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि कितना tannin, कितना percentage of tannin is there. Okay tannins कितने हैं उसमें. So curcumins okay I mean turmeric अगर है आपके पास, हल्दी है तो what is the percentage of curcuminoids. Okay so 70%, 80%, 90% कितना है. Okay so that need to be spelled out okay to the best possible extent. Okay so this is in brief. Okay so these headings okay so these heads are supposed to be considered. And of course okay so again microscopy में क्या क्या करते हैं ये सब बातें. Okay finished product को भी जब देखते हैं तो okay so these are the points okay so which need to be considered. Okay right, physicochemical test अगर आपको देखना है okay so these are the routine parameters okay so that okay so that need to be analyzed. Of course many attempts, हर ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए सभी पैरामीटर्स करना है. It's not like that. Okay so there may be okay so specific parameters for specific okay formulations. For example okay आपको sorry particles I mean hardness देखना है. किसका देखेंगे हम? चूर्ण का तो नहीं देखेंगे. Hardness देखना है. Okay so that is applicable to okay so tablet. Okay so that may be applicable to pill, right? Okay so unsaponifiable matter अगर आप देख रहे हैं okay saponification, acid value okay so if at all you are looking is suppose iodine value आप देख रहे हैं, peroxide आप देख रहे हैं, तो किसके लिए देखेंगे? So this is exclusively for oils है ना, right? So आपका तैल कल्पना है, घृत कल्पना है. Okay so otherwise okay so certain okay so other formulations where oil and ghee okay so became formulation composition is a part. जैसा कि सिमनाथ गुगुलु है ना. सो सिमनाथ गुगुलु, चक्रदत्त का सिमनाथ गुगुलु अगर आप देखिए, त्रिफलम त्रिफला चूर्णम कृष्णा चूर्णम फलोन्वितम गुगुलम पांचफलिकम. सॉरी राइट, सिमनाथ गुगुलु नहीं, ये तो त्रिफला गुगुलु हो गया. राइट, त्रिफलम त्रिफला चूर्णम सॉरी सिमनाथ गुगुलु कुडवम चित्र तैलस्य है ना. तो वहां पे आता है आपको चक्रदत्त में है ना. तो त्रिफला का कषाय बनाना है, गुरु गंधक डालना है, गंधक और गुगुलु डालना है, उसके बाद कुडवम चित्र तैलस्य. ओके सो दिस टू सी सॉरी सो आई कुडंट रिकलेक्ट दैट श्लोक बट कुडवम चित्र तैलस्य राइट. सो दिस इज दैट कुडव, एक कुडव का चित्र तैल चाहिए आपको, चित्र तैल एरंड तैल चाहिए. सो दैट सिमनाथ गुगुलु इज अ प्रेडोमिनेंट ऑफ ओके सो दैट कुडव पुडवा का चित्र तैल, okay, so right, उसमें तेल बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा, okay, so in such kind of formulations, though it is a Gugulu Kalpana, but okay, so you need to do, okay, so you have to, otherwise, okay, so you can do, okay, so this iodine, acid, peroxide value or unspecifiable matter and all these things, okay, so you can do that. So it depends upon, okay, so formulation, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर 20 का यहाँ लिस्ट दिया है तो 20 आपको करना है, it is not mandate. And okay, so instrumental analysis and all these things, okay, so you know it very well. So what I can say is quality control, safety and efficacy, okay, so they are essential, okay, so they are essential for both the health authorities and the public, okay. Health authorities को भी safety चाहिए, quality चाहिए, efficacy चाहिए, क्योंकि okay, so ultimately the product is going to enter into the market में आने के बाद public के पास जाएगा, तो if something happens, you suppose, okay, so then this is, okay, so I mean it leads to various inconveniences, embarrassing situations हो सकते हैं कभी-कभी, so that's why so quality, safety and efficacy, they are more, okay, so they are much okay, so essential criteria. So but the thing is, okay, so कौन बोलेगा, right, so quality ठीक है, so who will spell out that, okay, so this is the quality profile for that specific drug. आप च्यवनप्राश बना रहे हैं तो च्यवनप्राश का क्वालिटी ये होना चाहिए, कौन बोलेगा, right? So that will be, okay, mentioned, otherwise that will be focused by various acts, okay, so that are existing, okay, so in that specific scenario of that country, right? So the WHO का document I was showing it to you, okay, so they clearly mentioned that individual governments, okay, so they have to develop their own standards which are applicable to their specific scenario, right? अगर Indian scenario अगर हम देखते हैं तो many I mean there are many such kind of regulations, right? So let it be, okay, so हम सब जानते हैं Drugs and Cosmetics Act जानते हैं, Drugs and Cosmetics rules जानते हैं हम 1940 1945, right? Besides that one, okay, so we have Pharmacy Act, we have a very beautiful, okay, Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954, right? Narcotic Act is there, okay, Animal Protection Act is there, Medicinal and Toiletry Preparations Act is there, okay, so there are many, okay, so such kind of regulations, okay, so which are existing in the current scenario, okay, so which are taking care of, okay, so various aspects of drug development. I can't say that, okay, so all are applicable to such kind of things. I'm not going to speak anything about, okay, so Schedule T. This has been beautifully, it has been explained yesterday by Dr. Jitendra Varsakia, but ultimately, okay, so it has, okay, so those things, okay, so it takes care, Schedule T, GMP, right? GMP for traditional systems of medicines, okay, so particularly for, not for homeopathy, okay, so for Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani, okay, so this schedule, okay, so it will take care so that, okay, so quality medicines can enter into the market. I'm not taking I'm not describing anything about Schedule T, but the thing is, okay, so when you are processing a medicine, a herb, okay, so in the laboratory, you suppose, okay, so we need to be very careful, and this is one beautiful document. Fortunately, it is available on the web. Otherwise, okay, so the snapshot, what I am showing it to you, it was for restricted circulation. It was for restricted circulation. So, right, I copied it almost 2 years back. It was way back in 2000. Okay, so 17 or 18. It was, of course, drafted almost 7-8 years back. This was, and a very beautiful document. So, which at least the students of Dravya Guna Shastra Vaishya Kalpana people, okay, so they have to refer this document, and this speaks something about what do you mean by, okay, so herbal processing practices. Of course, okay, so I won't give any background, okay, so why this has came into force, इसका background क्या है, क्यों ये है ना document जो है बनाया गया है, okay, so what is the background, so that we'll discuss it, okay, so whenever time permits. Otherwise, okay, so exclusively whenever we are speaking something about these herbal processing practices, that we'll discuss it. But now I feel, okay, so we are running out of the time, so I won't say anything about that. But the thing is, this is a beautiful document, please download it. Okay, so this says that, okay, so processing refers to the unique procedures of preparing herbal material, right? And okay, so this says that, okay, right, and herbal preparations for therapeutic applications, okay, right? So why we need to do that processing, why that kalpana is needed, okay, beautifully it has been explained, okay, so in the Charaka Samhita, and if at all you are looking towards the commentaries of Chakrapani and the Sarvanga Sundara commentary of Arunadatta, okay, so there are, okay, so the main commentaries are very beautiful, okay, so they clearly mentioned, okay, so why kalpana is needed, okay, so these kalpanas, these processings, okay, so they are for the for the Sharira Prayogartham, okay, so the same thing what the WHO document says, they says that it is for therapeutic application, right? There are many such kind of things, okay, so I was looking towards the clock, okay, so it is almost 6:30, so I need much more thing to discuss. So I'm passing on. Okay, so this I'll pass on. Okay, so this slide, these slides to the organizers, they will give it to you. But the thing is, प्रोसेस करने से क्या होगा, राइट? सो आप ड्रग प्रोसेसिंग अगर आप लैबोरेटरी में करते हैं तो क्या होगा? Okay, so this is again, you can see, right? So it is going to improve the bioavailability. It is increasing, it is enhancing the potency of that raw material. It is going to enhance the effectiveness. It is modifying the therapeutic properties. It is eliminating the toxic nature of that specific substance, if at all any. Okay, right? So all these things very beautifully they have explained. So this is a very beautiful document for. Okay, so they depends. Okay, so processing. Okay, so कहते हैं कि right, so it depends. Okay, so procedure कैसे होना चाहिए? Okay, WHO document it says that we can't say that okay, so how a procedure is supposed to be done, but the thing is procedure is to be done. Procedure तो करना है, लेकिन कैसे करना है? So it depends upon the individual materials. Okay, so चरक विमान का okay, so ये बात एक बार okay, so I would like to put forward. Okay, right, in the 7th chapter of Vimanasthana, okay, it has been mentioned by Charaka. Okay, so he says that यावता जलेन पाकेन च औषधानि गतरसानि भवन्ति तावदेव जलं ग्राह्यं तावं च पाकः कर्तव्यः. ओके, बार बार बोलने का जरूरी नहीं है कि काढ़ा कैसे बनाए, राइट? ठीक है, शारंगधर ने कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट बना लिया है, वो बात अलग है, बट शारंगधर का कॉन्सेप्ट को ही फॉलो करना है ऐसा भी नहीं है, राइट? अगर ओके, इफ एट ऑल योर एक्सपीरियंस सेज दैट, राइट, ओके, सो ओनली 4 parts ऑफ वाटर इज नॉट सफिशिएंट एनफ, ओके, सो उसमें 20 गुना पानी डालना है, तो इट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस, यू फॉलो इट एंड यू प्रूव इट. ओके, सो जनरेट सम एविडेंस. ओके, सो अगेंस्ट दैट स्पेसिफिक ओके राइट रूल. यही कहते हैं, चरक ने खुद कहते हैं कि बार बार बोलने का जरूरी नहीं है. जितना पानी में औषध का गतरस होता है उतना पानी डालिए, उतना पाक कीजिए, उतना उसको रिडक्शन कीजिए. 1/4 ही रिडक्शन करना ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. द सेम थिंग व्हाट द गजेट सेज, राइट? तो अगेन ओके, सो देयर आर मेनी सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट fine, so there are many such kind of things. Okay, so selection of okay, so this is very important. Okay, so processing आप कर रहे हैं laboratory में, तो ये सिलेक्शन कौन सा प्रोसेसिंग करना है कैसे पता चलेगा? ओके, कौन सा प्रोसीजर करना है? ओके, सो व्हिच प्रोसीजर इज टू बी अप्लाइड टू व्हिच ड्रग? Okay, I'm taking okay, so one example of Estimado, of course. Okay, so again I'm recollecting the words of my teacher. Okay, so Professor M.S. Baghel ji. So he given this example to me. Okay, so when we were discussing, okay, so he says that okay, so Estimado है आपके पास, Estimado का font भी बना सकते हैं, Estimado का घृत भी बना सकते हैं, right? So you need to know, okay, so where that fonta is supposed to be used and where the ghrita is supposed to be used, right? अगर पेशेंट आपके सामने जो है, अगर उसमें अम्ल पित्त है, तो आप घृत बनाइए, एस्टिमोडो का घृत बनाइए. और आप वमन देने के लिए जा रहे हैं पेशेंट को लेके, तो ओके, फॉन्ट बनाइए. ड्रग इज द सेम, बट ओके, सो द प्रोसेसिंग मेथड इज डिफरेंट. Okay, so when the processing method is different, you suppose, okay, so entire qualities of that specific okay formulation, okay, so it is going to be changed. So this is the beauty of this science, right? ड्रग एक ही है, एस्टिमोडो ही है. एस्टिमोडो घृत अगर आप वमनोपक जैसा देते हैं तो काम नहीं करेगा. एस्टिमोडो फॉन्ट अगर अम्ल पित्त में देंगे तो शायद वो काम नहीं करेगा, right? So I mean drug may be same, but the processing mechanisms, okay, so they're different. Okay, so this is okay, so one beautiful quality of the system. Okay, so and okay, ultimately okay, so ultimately what you need to do is कैसे करना है, कहाँ करना है, क्या करना है ना, कौन सा ड्रग के लिए कौन सा प्रोसेस करना है, all these things. Okay, so before judging, okay, so this says that okay, so consult the national and regional regulatory standards क्या क्या है वो देखिए. अगर आपको फॉन्ट बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, आप एक बार देखिए तो सही. ठीक है, चरक ने कुछ कहा है वो बात अलग है, पहले तो देखिए, समझिए, and try to okay, so to the best possible extent you try to follow those standards to the best possible extent. Okay, you try to follow those standards and other literature, okay, so which is available in the scenario. Okay, after that only, okay, so right, so we need to okay, do that specific okay, so procedure. Okay, so this is what the gazette says. I mean, it's not gazette, it's a WHO document. Okay, so it says. So these processing, okay, so रसशास्त्र में अगर आप आते हैं तो okay, अब सबको पता है, okay, so there is a सामान्य शोधना and there are विशेष शोधना. Okay, so such kind of description even, okay, so it is available, okay, so in this specific document of WHO. Okay, so this is, there is a general procedure and there is a special procedure. Okay, so special processing, okay, so procedures, okay, so they are applicable to special okay herbal okay practices, I mean herbal material. Okay, why I'm saying herbal is okay, so the अभी शायद आप एक बार recollect कर लेंगे, the डॉक्यूमेंट्स नेम इज ओके, सो हेर्बल ओके प्रैक्टिसेस. हेर्बल के लिए ही ज्यादा बोला है, मेटल्स और मिनरल्स के बारे में ये डॉक्यूमेंट बात नहीं किया है. दैट इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट. ओके, सो दैट विल सी इट. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर टाइम परमिट्स, बट द थिंग इज we need to fulfill, we need to follow, we need to read the literature, we need to understand, okay, so which kind of processing is supposed to be, which kind of procedure is applicable in that specific context, and कौन सा करना चाहिए, तो उस हिसाब से आपको करना है. So storage and transportation, okay, so I'm not going to speak anything about this one. So ये सभी concepts, okay, so जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, okay, so this WHO का again guidelines for the storage of essential medicines and other health commodities, okay, so ये एक बार आप देख लीजिए, उसमें ये सभी बातें आए हैं जो अपने अपने क्लासिकल लिटरेचर में है. लेट इट बी अग्निसलिलोपस्वेद धूमरजो मूषक चतुष्पादानाम अनभिगमनीयानि स्वच्छन्दानि भवन्ति, जो भी बोला होगा ये सभी बातें तो वहां पे है, राइट. हाउ ओके, सो प्रोसेसिंग करने के बाद लैबोरेटरी में आप रॉ मटेरियल को, फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स को, इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट्स को कहाँ रखेंगे, कैसे रखेंगे, स्टोरेज ओके कैसे होना चाहिए, कंटेनर कैसे होना चाहिए, ओके ये सभी बातें वहाँ पे आए हैं. इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल अदरवाइज, ओके, सो I mean, eye-catchy to, okay, so right, collect, okay, so such kind of information from Charaka Samhita and Sharangara Samhita. And of course, okay, so hone ke baad, okay, so how you are going to label, okay, so that specific product, okay, again, okay, right, so you know it very well, okay, there are various aspects of labeling. So this is, okay, so these are the basic composition of, okay, so that specific labeling. क्या क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे लेबल करना चाहिए, ओके, सो दीस थिंग्स आर द फंडामेंटल थिंग्स, ओके, सो दैट वन नीड टू. एक्सपायरी डेट, ओके, सो शेल्फ लाइफ के बारे में हमने बात किया, तो ये सभी बातें वहाँ पे आना जरूरी है, राइट. एंड या, सो इफ एट ऑल इट इज अ आयुर्वेदिक अदरवाइज ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्मुलेशन इज सपोज, ओके, सो वी नीड टू सी, ओके, इन विच डोज, ओके, सो अलॉन्ग विथ विच specific adjuvant, okay, so it is supposed to be administered. And not only adjuvant, okay, so कोई specific instructions है, restrictions है, हिता हित है, पथ्या पथ्या है, तो those things are also supposed to come into that specific labeling. Okay, I'm not going to show this video clipping, okay, so it's something different. Of course I thought of showing it, but we are running short of time. Okay, so this is that, okay, so बहुत सारे लोग अपने WhatsApp में देखा भी होगा, right. So instructions, okay, so they are supposed to be so simple and they should never be misinterpreted. And जब भी आपको लेबल करना है तो लेबल कैसे करना है, ओके, सो व्हाट आर दोस अप्रोप्रिएट टर्म्स, है ना, तो टर्म्स क्या होते हैं, तो ये भी बातें, ओके, सो राइट, सो गजेट्स में आए हैं, राइट. सो ए सिंपल टेबल इज देयर, है ना, राइट. स्वरस है तो स्वरस को हम, है ना, बहुत सारे, राइट. सो देयर आर मेनी पीजी स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर, ओके, सो अपने अपने थीसिस में लिखते हैं जूस को कैसे लिखें, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जूस, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्वरसा, व्हाट इज चूर्ण, व्हाट इज कलका, और इसका अब्रीविएशन क्या होना चाहिए, इसका इंग्लिश इक्विवेलेंट, नियर बाय इंग्लिश इक्विवेलेंट क्या होना चाहिए, राइट. ओके, घनसत्व है उसको क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में, राइट. अर्क है उसको क्या बोलना है, ऑफ कोर्स, ओके, सो यू मेंशन्ड इट. और उसका अब्रीविएशन क्या होना चाहिए, हम कैसे लिखें, जूस का अब्रीविएशन लिखना है तो क्या हम जे लिखें या JU लिखें, JC लिखें, ओके, सो इट इज मेंशन्ड ओवर, ओके, सो हियर इन दिस गजेट, ओके, सो अगेन, सो इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन द वेब. Okay, so you can have it, you can have a, I mean, look into this one and to the best possible extent, okay, so जहाँ applicable हो, okay, so वहाँ हमें use करना चाहिए. So what kind of, okay, so laboratory में practice, I mean practical होने के बाद, procedure होने के बाद, okay, so what kind of points are supposed to be documented, right. So botanical, okay, so identification से लेके, right, so quality control तक, okay, so whatever it may be the step, okay, so that has been carried out, that has been, okay, right, followed, okay, so all those things including the method of, ओके, सो स्पेशल प्रोसेसिंग, जनरल प्रोसेसिंग, है ना, टेम्परेचर अगर आपने दिया होगा, है ना, जो भी यूटेंसिल आपने यूज किया होगा, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ओके, ड्राइंग मैकेनिज्म्स क्या आपने यूज किया, ड्राई किया कि नहीं किया, भावना दिया कि नहीं दिया, ओके, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ओके, सो दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी categorically they have to mention all these things, okay, so this says that, okay, so they are I mean our classical seers are well versed about, okay, so such kind of pharmaceutical procedures. And the last point, okay, so I won't take much time upon this, okay, right. So we have okay, so the same thing what I mentioned is of course standards hona jaruri hai, and there are specific okay, so regulatory I mean bodies, okay, so which takes care of, okay, so such kind of what I can say quality profiles, है ना, generating quality profiles. तो ये profiles at least, okay, so Indian scenario में if at all regional practices, if at all we are looking, suppose we have some pharmacopoeias and formularies, है ना, right. So Ayurvedic formulary of India and Ayurvedic pharmacopoeia of India. So there are two, okay, so words, right. So in our syllabus also, okay, so there are two words, one is formulary and second one is a pharmacopoeia, right. So what is the difference in between these two, okay, right. So formulary and pharmacopoeia, okay, right. So it is very simple. आप देख सकते हैं जो लाल है fine, it is pharmacopoeia. जो blue है it is formulary. Why it is red and why it is blue, so ये भी हम बाद में कभी डिस्कस कर लेंगे जब मौका मिलता है, right? So there is some background, okay? So why it is red, why it is blue, but the thing is, okay, so formulary, okay, so it is just a compilation, okay? Formulary is just a compilation of various, okay, so formulae, right? And whereas pharmacopoeia, okay, so it is a book of standards, right? Pharmacopoeia is a book of standards which describes about the quality of selected drugs that are manufactured, distributed and sold by licensed manufacturers. Licensed manufacturers जो है ना, तो I mean it speaks about, okay, so this book, okay, it speaks about standards. Fine. So the pharmacopoeia always, okay, so it is regarded as, okay, so to be a public document. It is pharmacopoeia is a, okay, so it is regarded as a public document and is a result of consensus in between various stakeholders, including government, regulatory authorities and the manufacturers of the drugs. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ बैठा और मैंने pharmacopoeia लिख दिया, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Pharmacopoeia is it is a public document. It is written by, okay, so by the joint collaborative venture of various stakeholders, right? इसमें government भी रहेगा, regulatory authorities भी रहेंगे and कोई ना कोई तो drug बनाने वाले भी चाहिए, okay, so right, manufacturing units भी रहेंगे, right? Okay, fine. So once if a pharmacopoeia is approved by the competent authority in Indian scenario is Pharmacopoeia Commission for Indian Medicine, okay, right? Indian scenario में Pharmacopoeia Commission है, okay, so they are the competent authorities, okay, so they once if they approve, you suppose, okay, so कहाँ क्या होगा ये pharmacopoeia, it becomes a part of Drugs and Cosmetics Act Schedule 1, right? So Drugs and Cosmetics Act भी, okay, so कभी अगर हो सकता है, okay, so that we can discuss it. But the thing is, okay, so this is, okay, red one is the pharmacopoeia and the blue one is formulary. So this background again, so बहुत पुरानी बात हो गई, 1970s, almost 50 साल पहले का history क्या था, कैसे है ना, तो ये हुआ है, so that we will discuss later, okay, so but the thing is, as on date, okay, so if at all we are looking, suppose, okay, so as on date, okay, so we have 3 Ayurvedic formularies, okay, so 3 parts of Ayurvedic formularies starting from 1978 to 2011. Of course 2011 के बाद of course almost I mean 8-9 साल हो गया है, अभी तक 4th part नहीं आया है, so it may come I mean हो सकता होगा आएगा, but the thing is, as on date we have 3 Ayurvedic formulary of India, okay, part 1, part 2, part 3, and it contains 985 formulations, and you can go to, okay, so various okay sections of, okay, so these, okay, so Ayurvedic formulary of India, and you can see it, okay, so what exactly it contains, okay, so बहुत सारे हैं, right? Alphabetical order में उन्होंने लिखा है कि आसो है ना, right? अर्क है, क्वाथ है, गुगुलू है, भस्म है, ये सभी जो है, okay, so in a sequential manner, okay, so in alphabetical, okay, so manner, okay, so they used to prepare index, and then, okay, so they will explain, okay, so each and every section, okay, right? So they will explain what exactly it is. आसावारिष्ट अगर है तो what do you mean by आसावारिष्ट, इसका definition क्या है और कैसे उसको manufacture करेंगे, and is there is any specific precautions and specific instructions while preparing, and what are those, okay, so ये AFI में, ये part में, ये part 1 में कौन से आसावारिष्ट यहाँ पे है, okay, so this description, okay, so it will be coming, okay, so in that okay, so specific I mean volume, okay, वो होने के बाद बाकी, okay, so they will describe it, fine, and that is, okay, AFI, okay, so AFI which is a blue book में कहीं भी standards नहीं है, blue book में standards नहीं है, just it's a compilation. I'll take 5 more minutes. And the API part 1, if at all you are looking, you suppose API, it's a book of standards, okay, so it contains standards, fine. अगर अश्वगंधा है तो अश्वगंधा कैसे होना चाहिए, how we can define the quality of that specific raw material, वो यहाँ पे रहेगा. part 1 it defines standards for only raw materials, right? Okay, raw material के standards ही यहाँ पे रहेंगे API में. Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India part 1 में only रॉ मटेरियल के स्टैंडर्ड, सिंगल हर्बल, अदरवाइज, ओके, सो सिंगल फॉर्मुलेशन का नहीं रहेगा, रॉ मटेरियल का ही रहेगा, राइट? सो एज ऑन डेट, ओके, सो वी हैव 9 ओके, सो वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ, ओके, सो API पार्ट 1, राइट, मोर देन 650, ओके, सो अराउंड 650 के करीब रॉ मटेरियल के स्टैंडर्ड्स, ओके, सो दे आर अवेलेबल and they are available in the market, okay, right? So I mean these volumes are available in the market, okay, so I'm not going to open, okay, so these okay, so hyperlinks, okay, so it may take some more time. But the thing is, yeah, so एक example आप देख लीजिए कि आई मीन AFI में जो था सिर्फ ओके सो बेसिक डिस्क्रिप्शन था, बट ओके सो API में अगर आप देखते हैं तो राइट सो ओके डिस्क्रिप्शन ओके सो व्हाट ओके अजमुदा अगर है तो अजमुदा में माइक्रोस्कोपी कैसे होगा, है ना, माइक्रोस्कोपी कैसे होगा, पाउडर माइक्रोस्कोपी कैसे होगा, ओके सो व्हाट इज द आइडेंटिटी, प्योरिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ, ओके सो व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ओके सो ऑफ दैट स्पेसिफिक ओके सो रॉ मटेरियल, है ना, फॉरेन मैटर अगर है तो कितना होगा होना चाहिए, टोटल ऐश है, ओके सो ऑल दीज एक्सट्रैक्टिव वैल्यूज, है ना, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स इसमें क्या होंगे, है ना, इसका एक्शन कैसे होगा, ओके सो दिस इज द बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट, राइट। सो एंड अगेन इसमें TLC नहीं है, ऑफ कोर्स TLC इसलिए नहीं है कि ये बहुत पुराना डॉक्यूमेंट है, 1980s 1970s 70 लेटर पार्ट ऑफ 1970s और अर्लियर पार्ट ऑफ 1980s में, जहाँ शायद TLC के बारे में ज्यादा पता नहीं था इसलिए शायद उन्होंने नहीं किया होगा, बट ओके सो दिस एस्पेक्ट इज अगेन सो इट इज बीइंग रिवाइव्ड, अभी TLC के ऊपर भी बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है, ओके सो दो TLC अटलास इज अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट, PLIM जो है PCIM जो है TLC अटलास भी पब्लिश किया है, एंड API पार्ट 1 जो है सिंगल हर्बल मटेरियल के लिए है, नॉट आई कांट से इट इज हर्बल मटेरियल, सिंगल रॉ मटेरियल के लिए है, एंड API पार्ट 2 ओके सो इज फॉर कंपाउंड फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए है, राइट। ओके API स्टैंड्स फॉर स्टैंडर्ड्स, AFI is only compilation of formulations, right, it's just like a formulary, API it holds standards, API part 1 में single okay material के लिए रहेगा, API part 2 में compound formulation के लिए standards रहेंगे, just you can have a look into okay so this one Bala-Taila for example, okay Bala-Tail के standards क्या होना चाहिए, Bala-Tail होता क्या है, okay what is the formulation composition, right, and then if at all you are going down you suppose okay so they will define the method of preparation, right, so how the method is supposed to be, राइट। बला तेल अगर आप बनाते हैं, जो भी XYZ तेल बनाते हैं तो कैसे बनाना चाहिए, राइट, कितना टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, कोर्स पाउडर कैसे बनना चाहिए, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कोर्स पाउडर, राइट, कल्क कैसे बनाएंगे, काढ़ा कैसे बनाएंगे, राइट, सो ऑल दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इट विल बी देयर, तो पूरा होने के बाद हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू आइडेंटिफाई इट, ओके सो TLC अगर है तो TLC क्या होगा, उसका प्रोफाइल कैसे आएगा, व्हाट विल बी द ओके फिजिको केमिकल प्रोफाइल, ओके सो व्हाट आर द अदर रिक्वायरमेंट, ये सब बातें जो है इसमें आएंगे, सो इट इज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव डॉक्यूमेंट, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव अराउंड 202 okay so compound formulations case standards as on it we have with us, okay, right. So this document you can again download from the website, this is very simple document, I feel, right, so this is a protocol testing for okay so Ayush products, hai na, so 2000 I mean so it is again published by PCIM only, so around 200 pages document it is, this is a handy and okay so very simple book. The beauty of this book is okay so I will show you one example, for example, right, आप अवलेह बना रहे हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट, अवलेह बना रहे हैं तो क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज क्वालिटी कैसे आप एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे, अवलेह के पैरामीटर्स ये है, राइट, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 to okay so 15, okay so these are the parameters, these are the standard set of parameters, इसके अलावा और ज्यादा अगर कुछ है तो आप कर सकते हैं, बट दीज आर द बेसिक पैरामीटर्स, इतना अगर आप कर लीजिए तो आपका क्वालिटी प्रोफाइल है ना आपका डेवलप हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली चूर्ण है, पाउडर्स अगर आप बना रहे हैं तो पाउडर्स का पैरामीटर्स क्या होंगे, ओके सो दिस इज अ कंपाइलेशन ऑफ ओके सो ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ पैरामीटर्स, ओके सो दैट हैज बीन प्लेस्ड एट वन प्लेस, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बुक, ओके क्वालिटी कंट्रोल पैरामीटर्स के लिए, so that you can download from the web, and I'm not going to speak anything about okay so this Sabirita Avadhi, the latest gazette says something different, but the thing is one important thing is I feel it is very difficult to cover okay so this area now, but 158B is one regulation, please download this gazette again, so it is available on the web, download it and you try to see what exactly this document is going to say, okay so Ayush products का categorization है यहाँ पे, right, they says that okay right it is a classical product है ना, right, so it is a proprietary product है, न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट है ना, तो इट्स अ कॉस्मेटिक प्रोडक्ट है, एक्सट्रैक्ट्स है, एंड राइट, सो देयर आर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ओके सो मीन कैटेगरीज आर देयर, सो इन दीज कैटेगरीज आपको सेफ्टी कब एस्टैब्लिश करना है ना, एफिकेसी कब एस्टैब्लिश करना है, एफिकेसी बाय यूजिंग ओके सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कहाँ एस्टैब्लिश करना है, ये सब जो है एक छोटा सा टेबल में यहाँ पे दिया है, दिस इज ऑफ कोर्स ओके सो आई वाज हियरिंग, सो शायद फर्स्ट सेशन में, अदरवाइज आई मीन फर्स्ट डे or second day somebody was asking about ठीक है तो राइट समथिंग है ना, ये प्रोडक्ट जो है आई मीन आमोबात में काम करता है तो क्या इसका एफिकेसी भी हमें एस्टैब्लिश करना है क्या प्री क्लिनिकल में, समथिंग ओके सो लाइक सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन ओके सो दे वर आस्किंग, ओके सो इट डिपेंड्स, ये टेबल जो है सो इट आंसर्स ओके सो फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, right, so we need to see okay so in for which category okay so that specific product falls, and after that, okay, so you can define so which strategy is supposed to be adopted. So I'm not going to say anything about this one. ड्रग रिसर्च के जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स आज के दिन में है ना कन्वेंशनल साइंस में मिलते हैं, ये सभी बातें जो है ये सिर्फ 4-5 ओके सो लाइन श्लोक में आता है। ये कल्पेच गृहीते द्रव्यम संग्रहम च परीक्षणम से लेके सर्वेषां कल्पनम चात्र कल्प विज्ञानम संग्रहे। ओके, सो दिस इज ओके, सो इट स्पीक्स very beautiful shloka, okay, so in a precise manner, comprehensive information which has been okay, so depicted over here. Okay, so it speaks about scientific definition, it speaks about proof of identity. आप TLC करो, HPTLC करो, जो भी करना है वो यहाँ पे बता देंगे वो, right? Content check के बारे में वो बात किया है. So all these things, okay, so it is very beautiful to look into, okay, so this specific shloka. And for people, okay, so who are planning for preclinical studies, okay, so you need to follow this guideline. Which is again a WHO document. It is available on this, okay, so specific link which is given over there, है ना. हमें acute toxicity करना है या chronic करना है, subchronic करना है, 1 महीना करना है या 3 महीना करें, 1 साल करें, है ना. How to decide that, okay, so which kind of safety study or toxicity study will applicable, okay, for which kind of formulation, okay, so that this specific booklet, okay, so it guides you. And there are many such kind of, okay, so publications and guidelines, okay, so they are available in the भरा पड़ा है, okay, so Google में जाके सिर्फ आप सर्च कीजिए, okay, so the only thing is आपको सर्च करना है और आपके सामने इतना सारा information आएगा and you will be lost in the jungle of that information, right? There are many guidelines, okay, so ये सभी guidelines, okay, so they are available, okay, so on the web, okay, so ये सभी WHO guidelines है, सब आपको मिल जाएंगे, आप डाउनलोड कीजिए, सो आप पढ़िए, तो लेक्चर का शायद जरूरी नहीं पड़ेगा. द ओनली थिंग इज, ओके, सो बिफोर कंक्लूडिंग, सो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट, ओके, सो जितना भी आपने क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट आपने डेवलप किया, सेफ प्रोडक्ट आपने डेवलप किया, बट अगेन, सो ये ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्मुलेशन है तो ये सेफ है ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. एंड मेनी टाइम्स, ओके, सो इट मे बी, ओके, सो क्यों इनकन्वीनियंसेस डेवलप होंगे, एडवर्स ड्रग रिएक्शंस होंगे नहीं होंगे, दैट इज अ मैटर ऑफ अगेन अनदर डिस्कशन that we'll see it later. But the thing is, if anything new it is noticed, right? Anything new is noticed, you suppose कुछ नया आपको पता चल गया है, तो that definitely, okay, so नीम कैप्सूल अभी हम यूज कर रहे थे कोरोना के लिए, but the thing is वो कर्षण है ना, तो it was being used for a लेखन जैसा कर रहे थे, स्थौल्य में कर रहे थे, लेकिन वायरल लोड कम हो रहा था, which is new. It need to be reported. ये पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, एडवर्स हो या है ना कुछ भी हो, if something new is being noticed, you suppose it is supposed to be reported to the authority, right? Okay, so this is the platform, so which is nothing but a pharmacovigilance program for Ayush systems of medicines. And fortunately, okay, so the organizers, okay, so who are organizing this event from Jodhpur is one of the peripheral center, and in Udaipur is also, okay, so one peripheral center for, okay, so which is voluntarily functioning under this program. National Institute of Ayurveda Jaipur, okay, so they are beautifully they are coordinating, okay, so this event as an intermediary program, coordinators, thankful to, okay, so such kind of people that, okay, so the program is running beautifully. The link is given over here, you can access the details related to this specific program. And one beautiful thing, last thing, okay, what I want to say over here is, yeah, this is last. In this, okay, so pharmacovigilance program, okay, so this is one special objective, which is nothing but reporting objectionable advertisements to the, okay, so competent authorities. ऐसे बहुत सारे है ना, तो आप देख सकते होंगे कोरोना के टाइम में बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स आ गए हैं. Not only, okay, so so this is related to corona, and after that one, okay, so there are many such kind of products, okay, so which may fall into the category of that Drugs and Magic Remedies Act, है ना, तो उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर लेंगे बाद में कभी, लेकिन okay, so such kind of products, if it all comes in your, okay, so contact, you suppose you need to be, of course, nowhere, okay, so this is related with our topic, but okay, so when I spoken about this pharmacovigilance, so it becomes my part to tell that, okay, so this is also one of the objective of this program. So such kind of products are supposed to be, such kind of information is supposed to be, such kind of objectionable advertisements are supposed to be noticed or reported, okay, so to the competent authorities for a specific action. Before concluding, I'm so sorry that, okay, so I took more time than, okay, so what is given to me. But the thing is, okay, so if many times what happens is, okay, so I may not be knowing, okay, so why गंधक का अगर शोधन कर रहे हैं तो दूध में ही क्यों करें, okay, so many times I may not be knowing why it is so. but the thing is, when I don't know, I cannot say that okay, so इसमें कुछ background नहीं है, इसमें कोई scientificity नहीं है. But the thing is, so it is Apta Vachanam, so I have to follow it. So the same thing what he is mentioning that okay, so Rasaratna Samuche से quote है, it is mantra itva samaharet. Whatever it may be the guideline, so the guideline is supposed to be जैसा गायत्री मंत्र आप जापते हैं तो ऐसे ही आप वो मंत्र है, मंत्र हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि उसको डिबेट करेंगे. That mantra is supposed to be followed. Okay, so that SOP which is given in the classical literature, it is supposed to be followed as mentioned in the classical literature. अन्यथा अगर आप फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप बाईपास करते हैं तो तद्गतम तेजः परिगृह्णाति भैरवः, भैरव का रुद्रकोप जैसा होता है. अगर हम फॉलो नहीं करते तो definitely there will be certain adverse drug reactions, otherwise it may create some sort of inconveniences on administration. With this, I would like to thank the organizers, Sanjit ji. Okay, so I could able to see Sanjit ji also. Namaste Sanjit ji, thank you so much for bearing with me. So I took around 15-20 minutes of your time. I mean, request the audience, otherwise the participants, to just float your questions on the chat box, and if time permits, we'll discuss. Otherwise, okay, so I'll be answering you through the chat box. Thank you so much, organizers. Thank you very much for your patience listening.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर गालिब जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया और यूजफुल वैल्यूएबल आपका ये लेक्चर बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आया. लेकिन फिर भी बच्चों की कुछ जिज्ञासाएं हैं, तो मैं डॉक्टर विनोद गौतम से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो बच्चों की जिज्ञासाएं डॉक्टर गालिब जी तक पहुंचाएं, जैसे उनका समाधान हो सके. डॉक्टर विनोद जी.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, Dr. Galib sir, for a nice lecture and your presentation. You covered all the topic nicely. मैं सीधा ही पार्टिसिपेंट से बोलना चाहूंगा कि अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो डायरेक्टली आप पूछ सकते हो. अपने पास केवल 2-3 मिनट का समय है, क्योंकि हमारे दूसरे स्पीकर जुड़ चुके हैं, डॉक्टर संचित जी. तो अगर कोई हो तो सर, इसमें डॉक्टर गालिब सर आप देख रहे होंगे 2-3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे से हैं. प्लीज
what I will do is, so ये मैं chat box open किया है. I'll be addressing them. Okay, so still if at all anything is missing, you suppose, then we can go back to them. संचित जी को शायद, क्योंकि 7 बज गया है अभी शायद.
हाँ, अपन स्टार्ट कर देते हैं ना. आप चैट बॉक्स में उनके आंसर. ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. ठीक है देवेंद्र बोस, संचित सर का चालू कर दीजिए.
बिल्कुल. ओके, थैंक यू डॉक्टर गालिब. नाउ